Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. And you see I have my rubber tree out here, and you also see that I have some very dusty leaves. Today I'm going to show you how to get those leaves cleaned naturally and organically, so stay tuned for that. If you have large leaf plants like this rubber tree or a fiddle leaf fig tree, or even a dumb cane plant, definitely monstera, all those large leaf plants collect dust so easily, and especially if you have puppies like I do, they can, the running around and everything can kick up the dust and settle on the leaves. Now, to keep those plants healthy, you gotta make sure that you have those leaves cleaned, because that dust blocks the sun from getting through to the leaf and prevents photosynthesis from happening, and your plant won't be as healthy as it can be. So I researched a few different ways, a few different recipes of what to use to keep your leaves cleaned naturally. There are products out there, leaf shine, things like that, that you can spray on, and you can use that to clean your leaf and keep it shiny too. But I really didn't want to go that route because of the chemicals on there, the aerosol, and I really felt that that would more cover up the pores on the leaf than anything else. It may keep them shiny, but I also want to keep it healthy most of all. So I started looking into a few different recipes on how to keep the leaf clean, and what was suggested to me was using lemon juice with water, and I thought that was probably the most organic way of doing it. I did look into another recipe of milk and water, but for that recipe to really work, you need to use at the very least 1% milk, better whole milk. And we here in my household drink skim milk, so that really wouldn't work. The reason that you want whole milk or 2% or 1% milk is because of the fats in the milk that will clean your leaf and keep it shiny. So I wasn't going to buy a gallon of milk or even just a little pint size of milk if I'm going to be doing this once a month. So I decided to go with the lemon juice. Now, what I have here in this bowl is 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. You can use a cloth, like a microfiber cloth, washcloth. I decided to use these cotton, 100% cotton rounds that basically you can use these to remove makeup. I got this pack at the Dollar Tree, and $1. The same with the lemon juice. I got it for $1. So for $2, I have plenty to last me. Now, one little cotton round would last probably a few leaves. But if you don't want to go this route as far as having to dispose something, you can definitely use a microfiber cloth or a washcloth. So you would just simply dip it into the water solution there, wring it out, and then supporting the leaf with your hand underneath, start wiping. And I would recommend starting at the top, because as you work your way down, you're going to maybe push off some of the dust that will land on the bottom. As if you start at the top, and then when you get to the top and clean, it's just going to put all that dust onto the leaves you just cleaned. And then don't forget the back too. Now the acidity of the lemon juice is diluted enough that it's not going to hurt the leaves at all. And this I would recommend doing once a month, and it also gives you a good opportunity to really inspect, because you're having to deal with each leaf, really inspect your plant to see if there's anything going on with it, any bugs, any problems at all going on with it that you may not be aware of or that you may miss during a regular watering. Now this solution here may not give you the big shine that you want, and that's kind of, you know, your personal preference as far as aesthetics. If you want that really glossy shine that you see on Instagram and on a lot of the plants. I have seen also individuals using, plant owners using coconut oil. Now that is a natural substance, and you know, perhaps, I don't know how well it would do as far as cleaning, but it would definitely leave a shine. So maybe that's something, if you're really wanting to work on your plants, you can do this solution to clean it and then give it a nice little coating of coconut oil, and that will give you that shine. You see, look at all that dirt that's coming off. It's amazing how much dirt is collected on these leaves, especially these big leaf house plants that you know, are, see, I got a little bit of cotton there, that are so big. Fiddle Leaf Fig definitely in particular. And like I said, if you have pets in the house, that can even make it worse. Oh, just took one off there. That can make it even worse. Okay. So there you see. Ugh, look how filthy that is. Ugh. Already it's starting to look good, and I'm sure it's feeling good too. Just make sure I've gotten them all. The last few strokes here. Okay friends, so I've wiped down all of these plants here, and they're looking much better. A couple things I noted with this process. One, the cotton rounds sometimes do leave little flecks of cotton if you catch it, snag it on something. So I may try a microfiber cloth next time. See how that works. But other than that, the solution itself works well. I do think that I will find some coconut oil and try that next time to see how it cleans and shines. And you see what I mean? Look at this. I just cleaned these and look where he's at already. Oh boy. Anyways, what am I gonna do? Thanks so much friends for joining me today. Hope this solution helps you, and let me know in the comments down below if you have another recipe that you use, or if you have used this one before, and let me know if you're gonna try it also. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate it. And subscribe also, because I do have some really great videos in the coming weeks, and you don't want to miss those. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.